Alright, in this video we are going to install the starters kit. So I'm going to show you a really cool way to create your own custom website. And very fast. So I go to the homepage of my dashboard. We are going to navigate to our plugins, add new, and right over here I'm going to search for starter kit. This is the most easy way to create your own custom website in WordPress and the fastest way. I'm going to click on this, starter templates, and you'll see it got great Elementor templates for free, and you can edit them with just the Elementor page builder. So I'm installing it right now, and I'm going to activate it, and let's see what happens. So I'm really excited to show you this part. Okay, we have just installed the starter kit, and what we must do right now is go to Appearance, Starter Templates. Okay, we get started with the starter templates. This is the guy from the Astra team. And right over here, I'm going to click on Elementor. And they got beautiful templates. E-commerce, portfolio templates, business templates, communication templates, and blog templates. So this is a really cool way to create your own custom website. You don't need any experience or knowledge or JavaScript or HTML or CSS. So here are a lot of themes. They look all great in my opinion, but I'm going to choose the best one for the tutorial. Okay, I think I found it. Right over here, the Better Private Security template. It's a really professional layout. So okay, here we have the Better Private Security template. It's looking really professional, and we are going to change the whole theme. I'm gonna show you how you use Elementor, the drag and drop builder, to customize this website. So right over here you can upload your logo if you want, and right over here you can select the colors. Okay, this is looking much better, and we will continue. Okay, all the information, we don't need that, so we're gonna build the website. Okay, that's great. So we have a really cool website after this import. Okay, there it is. We just created our website. So let's take a look how it looks. The import is done. And let's take a quick look. Okay, congratulations. He is already proud that you create a website with his team. Okay. And right over here, you got the amazing private security theme. We're gonna change it in a web development agency template. So with the portfolio, with a smooth footer, and a contact form. So okay, that's great. So I hope I will see you in the next lecture, and we are going to customize this site.